Strawberry cough. Flying horse. I already know this stuff is good because I've used it quite a bit, but it's not one that I reviewed on here. So this one for about a week or so, and yeah, this is sativa. This stuff is really nice tasting. It tastes like strawberry candy without, you know, like those little filled strawberry things that have like the jelly stuff in them. It's kind of what this tastes like, but not sweet. It's really, really good. And this is the THC, THO, or THCO, I mean, THCP. I don't know what THCP or THCO is exactly, but whatever. Anywho, this shit. So good. So good.